Alright, let's be real. This outfit? It's casual and comfy, but really very boring and makes me look and feel quite frumpy. And on top of that, it doesn't do much to flatter my body proportions. So in this dress look slimmer and of course better episodes, I'm taking this vintage dress. Yes, straight from my mom's closet, probably older than me, and transforming it into a modern, polished, and effortlessly elegant look in just 5 simple steps. Let's dive in. First, the power of layers. This vintage dress has short sleeves, so I definitely need a layer. My go-to? A simple casual cardigan. But this just doesn't work. It's giving me more librarian who lost her glasses than chic and sophisticated vibe. So instead, I'm swapping for this structured blazer in a mossy, earthy tone. The color complements the dress without overpowering it, whereas black one would have been too harsh, in my opinion. Now, a style tip for you. A blazer with a strong shoulder line instantly makes your body look longer and leaner. Trust me, it's fashion magic. And rolling up the sleeves is just an instant improvement in proportions, especially when the blazer is double-breasted, because it helps to balance out the voluminous top. Step 2. The right boots matter. Combat boots are a classic, but sometimes feels off. I guess that the flowy cut of the dress needs something a bit more sleek and elongating. So these heel boots with a pointed toe in croc leather add a modern fashion-forward vibe while still being very comfy. Step 3. Accessories equals instant glow up. Accessories can make or break a look. And since we are elevating this outfit, I'm going for statement earrings to create a focal point around my face. And a mix of delicate and bold bangles adds contrast that jazzes everything up. Step 4. Nothing screams elegant like voluminous, fresh-looking hair. Sometimes sleek hair works and I like the look of sleek hair, but for this look, I have a lot of volume on the upper part. Therefore, I'm using a little bit of dry shampoo at the roots, plus a little of hairspray while holding the hair upwards. It was definitely a little bit too much. And the trick here is to let your hair set in this lifted position for a while. I like this look. Step 5. The right handbag. Now for the bag, while I love my oversized totes, for this look I need something sharper and more structured to balance out the feminine details. So I'm going with this classic black rectangular handbag. It adds polish without overwhelming the look. Sharp lines equal instant sophistication. And voila! Just like that, this vintage dress went from cute but outdated to modern, elegant, and effortlessly stylish. Notice how the vertical lines of the blazer make me look taller and leaner? And those sharp accessories like earrings, bag, and boots pull everything together. As I often say, style is not about the things you own, but rather about what you do with them. Now the real question is, do I move this dress into my regular closet rotation? What do you think? And let me know in the comments if you have such clothing pieces waiting for you to be pulled out to the daylight. Let's chat. And if you enjoyed this little style makeover, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with your fabulous friends. Until the next time, keep shining, stay classy. Ciao, ciao!